Today's craft is something you can work on a little bit every day and will help build a lasting habit of gratitude. By the end, you'll have a beautiful gratitude log that serves as a reminder of life's small but meaningful moments. First, decide how you'll want to store your gratitude pieces. You can use separate pieces of paper for each one. A little sketchbook can work well, as all your drawings will be conveniently in the one place. Or use a large sheet of paper and split it up into 20 boxes. Think about how you'd like to keep or display the final result once the project is complete. I'm going to opt for separate pieces for now because it gives me more options. I could always stick them into a sketchbook or mount onto a large card later on. Create your template by deciding where your drawing will sit, with a set space for title text above or below. This will be the same template you follow for the remainder of your drawings. If you're opting for a large piece, you can draw them in a grid format or randomly place them if you want a more organic look. Now it's time to think about what you're grateful for. You can either think of 20 things right away, compile a list of them all together, and then just go ahead and draw each of these out, titling them beneath, or take it a day at a time, which is what I recommend. This method turns the project into a more meditative ritual, and it allows you to reflect more deeply on each gratitude. Setting aside time each morning, afternoon or evening to sketch one gratitude piece helps make this a mindful practice rather than just a rushed activity. Whether you're doing this in one setting or over 20 days or more, I recommend thinking about a style for your work. So you can pick 3 to 4 colours or a specific medium and try to stick to them throughout the project. It will really help bring a cohesiveness to your artwork, especially if you want to display them all together. At first you might find it difficult to think about a lot of things off the top of your head, but I promise you the ideas will come. They can be big things like the love of a family member or a friend, or something seemingly small like that first cup of tea or coffee in the morning. Looking through photos on your phone will likely remind you of encounters in recent times that you're grateful for, and the more you reflect, the easier it will become to notice the little joys in daily life. You've just got to work that gratitude muscle. I'm choosing to go with pencil at first, and then I'm going over it with a waterproof pen and then doing very light watercolour wash over the top. I'm not worried about them being perfect. They're pretty sketchy actually, but when they're all together they will come together and look really nice, especially with the same colour palette being used. I woke up this morning to lovely bright sunshine, which is sometimes a rare thing here in Scotland, and I just felt so happy and grateful for it. So this is what I'm doing this morning. This is my little sunshine that I'm so happy for. After I'd done a few of these, I had an idea to use a label maker for the titles. I really liked the more impactful look, so I went back and added them onto the ones I had already made. Once finished, you'll have a unique and meaningful piece of art you can look to whenever you might need a little lift in spirits, and be reminded of all the beautiful moments in your life and how wonderful it is that you were able to create something new and special from them. Enjoy the process and happy creating. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more creative fun. Catch you next time.